Namaskaram, dear children. Today we are going to discuss about the River Valley Civilization, our new lesson. In our last lesson, we had studied about the Stone Ages, Stone Age and the Chalcolithic Age. Men who used the stone weapons and stone tools were known as Stone Age, and the men who used the copper weapons along with the stone weapons was known as Chalcolithic Age. And here we are studying the age of man who used bronze weapons and bronze tools. That's why this age is also called as Bronze Age civilizations. In this chapter, we are studying about different Bronze Age civilizations that were existed in different parts of the world. In the beginning, we are studying about the Bronze Age civilization that was existed in India. It was called as Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization. In the beginning of our textbook, a description is given there. You please read that description. Have you read the description? From that description, we can understand that about the Indus Valley Civilization, the remains were found. At first, it was not by the historians or by the archaeologists, but by the common men or the workers, railway workers. Then later, archaeology department conducted excavations there. When Sir John Marshall became the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, several excavations were conducted in the banks of River Indus and its tributaries. Then from that excavations, archaeologists, historians could understand that a great river valley civilization had existed on the banks of River Indus and its tributaries. This civilization was known as Indus Valley Civilization. It was in 1921 the first excavation was conducted. It was in Harappa. The excavation was led by Dr. Dayaram Sani. Harappa is in Pakistan now. Most of the evidences of Indus Valley Civilization was found for the first time from Harappa. That's why Indus Valley Civilization is also called as Harappan Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization is also called as Harappan Civilization because the evidences of Indus Valley Civilization for the first time it was excavated from Harappa. That's why it is also called as Harappan Civilization. And from Mohenjo-daro also the excavations were conducted and it was led by R.D. Banerjee. A chart is given there in our textbook regarding the excavations conducted in India about the Indus Valley Civilization. You please see that chart and complete that chart. The Indus Valley Civilization, it was very vast. It stretched across the region from western Pakistan to the Alangirpur in Uttar Pradesh, from Kashmir to Narmada Valley in south. It was existed in the age between BCE 2700 and 2000 BC. 1700. The age between 2700 BCE and BCE 1700. And a map is also given there in our textbook, showing different places in India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, that type of countries. The different places, the excavations were conducted and the evidences of Indus Valley civilizations were obtained. You please see that map, and a chart is also given there in our textbook. You have to complete that chart. Please see that chart and find out the places from the map, and please fill that chart. Write the different countries, in which countries these places are located. Have you done that work? Shall we wind up the class for today? We can discuss about the features of Indus Valley civilization in another class. Namaskar.